Configuring the Automatic AirPlay feature on your iPhone 16 allows seamless wireless streaming control and better device connectivity management. Here's how to adjust the AirPlay settings on the new iPhone. First, swipe up from the bottom of your screen to get to the home screen. From the home screen, locate and tap on the settings icon. In the settings menu, scroll down and tap on General. Then find and tap on AirPlay and Continuity. At the top of the screen, tap on Automatic AirPlay. Here you'll see three options, namely Never, Ask, and Automatic. If you choose Never, it turns off Automatic AirPlay. If you choose Ask, it prompts before connecting. And if you choose Automatic, it enables automatic connection. Simply tap to select your preferred option based on your needs and preferences. And that's how you manage Automatic AirPlay settings on your iPhone 16. Please subscribe to this channel if you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching.